Hi, Max. To answer your question, I'm just going to do a problem here to kind of help you kind of go through it step by step. So I'll just do number letter B for right now. So the first thing you have to do is set equal to 0. So you subtract 3 times x plus 2 from both sides. Those cancel out, and you get x plus 2 squared minus 3 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. So that's because I did it to both sides, right? So that was your question. I'm subtracting 3 times x plus 2 to both sides. From here, I know when you square something, that just means that you expand it out. So I expanded out the square to be x plus 2 times x plus 2. Now, I think this is where your question comes into place. I'm actually factoring here. So I'm going to pull out 1 x plus 2 from here and 1 from here. I'm factoring. So this is not doing something to both sides. I'm literally just pulling out those two from each. And then you just combine what you have left over. So it'd be x plus 2 minus 3 equals 0. So you have x plus 2 times x minus 1 equals 0, because you have to combine your like terms here. You set these each equal to 0, because that's your zero product property that we learned. Anytime that you have two entities being multiplied that equals 0, you set them each equal to 0, and then you just solve. And that's how we get x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 1. So I think your major question, I think, was this part right here. This part right here. So technically you aren't doing something to both sides. You're just factoring out the common binomial. So I took out 1 x plus 2 from each, and that left here. And then you just combined your leftovers to get this. Okay, let me know if you have any other questions. Bye, Max. Have a good day.